again, everyone. Truck CV Sales here with a temp report for Chris in Alabama. That's RCI 99N2. Chris got it ready to go for you, bud. Just a basic tune alignment on this one, okay? And we threw in the Toshiba voltage regulator, keep everything nice and cool. So we'll show you what it's doing here. 100-watt slug. All right, power all the way down. There's about 6 watts all the way down. I'll roll it all the way up. 55 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. So it pegs it out. So let's go to the 250 watt scale on average. Hello. 125 average. Peak power. Hello. Audio. At 225 peak. So got some good bird on it. Got some good modulation. Got it looking all nice and swell around our stack of bricks. So anyways, there you go. Appreciate it, Chris, from your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.